Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkon channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix USB devices that are not working on your computer. And now let's get started. First, we need to determine if the USB device itself is the problem. Sometimes, a faulty USB device can prevent your USB ports from functioning correctly. To check this, try plugging the USB device into a different computer. If it works fine on another PC, then the USB device is likely not the issue. If it does not work on another PC, you may need to consider replacing the USB device. You can also try connecting a different, known working USB device to your computer to see if that resolves the issue. If the USB device is not the problem, the next step is to disable the USB selective suspend feature. To do this, open the control panel. You can find it by typing control panel into the Windows search bar. Once the control panel is open, ensure you are viewing by either small icons or large icons. Then, navigate to Power Options. In the Power Options window, click on Change Plan Settings for your active power plan. Next, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Settings window, expand USB Settings, and then expand USB Selective Suspend Setting. If you are using a laptop, you will see options for battery and plugged in. For desktops, you will likely see a single option for USB Selective Suspend Setting. Select Disable for this setting. If you have a laptop, ensure you disable it for both the battery and plugged-in options. Click Apply, and then click OK. After disabling this feature, try connecting your USB drive again to see if it works. If disabling the Selective Suspend feature does not resolve the issue, the next step is to disable and then re-enable the USB controllers. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Device Manager. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes or Continue. In Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You will need to do this for each USB composite device listed. Right-click on a USB composite device and select Disable Device, then click Yes to confirm. Once disabled, right-click on the same device again and select Enable Device. Repeat this process for all USB composite devices listed under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. After re-enabling them, check if your USB device is now recognized. If the previous steps have not fixed the problem, we can try disabling the Fast Startup feature. Go back to the control panel and navigate to Power Options. Then, click on Choose what the power buttons do. You may find that the Turn on Fast Startup option is grayed out. To make changes, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes or Continue. Now, you should be able to uncheck the Turn on Fast Startup option. Click Save Changes. After disabling Fast Startup, check if your USB device is working correctly. If all these steps have not resolved the issue, a simple restart of your computer might help. Sometimes, a fresh boot can resolve temporary glitches. If the USB ports are still not working after restarting, the next step is to update your USB port drivers. You can usually find the latest drivers on your computer manufacturer's official website. Download and install the drivers for your specific model. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.